Hey, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to introduce you again to Craftibly 4.0. I have two that I want to unbox and show you, so hang in there after you see the first one because you will die when you see the second one. There are some updates even to the 4.0, so I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so here's my two Craftablys. I was going to do these separate because they did come separately to me, but oh, life has been crazy. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to just unbox them both because, hey, we're here. We should, right? Why separate a good thing? Why not keep going? Oh, let me find my splicer. I cleaned a little bit last night and I finally found it, and it works so much better than trying to cut myself with scissors. I love that they have their own packing tape because it just makes me feel good when I see the Craftibly packing tape. Okay, you guys ready? What? Look at this! If you guys have not been around, if you've been in a hole somewhere, Craftibly has upped their game with 4.0 and has brought us upgraded tubes. Now, I loved their white tubes initially. Let me grab one. This was what they initially came in, okay? They currently have a white tube sale going on. So quick, go over there because anything they still had in stock that was in a white tube, they are clearancing them out and you can get some good paintings. The Shine one I'm currently working on right now is sold out in the 4.0, but you can get it same quality just in a tube, white tube, for cheaper than when I got it. So go check it out. Okay. All right, so let's dive in here. Sorry for all the crinkling. Sometimes I get responses that say, we couldn't hear you because of the crinkling. Guys, hang on. The crinkling does not last the whole video. It is just while I'm unwrapping. Crinkle, it's Christmas. Crinkle, it's Christmas. Okay. Ugh. Well, with this big tube, it might last the whole painting. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do this one too. So all the crinkling is in one area of the video, and you can either fast forward or you can enjoy it because it's Christmas. All right. There we go. What I love is not only are they in these tubes, which you can use over and over again, and you can actually store your finished paintings in here. Make sure you roll them, drill side out. You can only roll them if you haven't sealed them. Once you seal them, they have to lay flat. But you can store them in here if you want. And then can you imagine, you could probably store, I have up to 3 in 1, depending on the size. You have to be very gentle with it. They also give you this little tag. So I'm going to show you this one. And that way, if you have a stash like me, you know what this is without having to dive in. Look, it's Breaking Dawn, Indian War Horse. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Okay, so this unscrews, but you have to also pull at the same time. Look at that, such prettiness. Okay, let's put this tube over here. They are going for sustainability. Another thing I love about Craftibly is for every painting you purchase, they donate towards planting trees. So not only are they doing their thing, cut this real quick so it doesn't annoy me. You know how you get those things on your clothes? They also are putting in, look at this, random washi tape. Here's your upgraded upgraded wax, the little Craftibly logo. And then, oh, I've been wanting one of these. They are putting in a little cover minder. So 4.0, they really stepped up their game. I'm excited because I really wanted one of these little droppy boos. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the lid for right now, and then you get your standard kit, which comes with the pointy tweezers, a white tray, a squishy wax, and then they give you two of the thin 4 placers in there, and a single placer pen. Okay, so we're going to put these back in here for right now. I'll show you some of the goodies, but I won't go into detail on the next one. What I love too is they also give you the sticker, which I will be putting in my logbook. You can also write your start and your finish date. I love that. Now what I do is I just stick this on top. Like this is another Craftibly I'm working on. And so until I'm done, I stick that in there, and then I know these drills go with it. And then when I'm done, I'll stick this in my logbook so I have a picture. They also, I am in love with these labels. One, they're really big so you can see everything. 2, they fit perfect on, these are Harbor Freight. I just have it in a larger container. They fit perfect on the Harbor Freight, and they are very easy to come back off. I did notice some of the other companies left residue, and you had to like wash them off with alcohol. These peel right off. I love it. They also have it labeled down here what this goes to. It's 24 by 32, Breaking Dawn Indian Warhorse. Then there, if you're new to diamond painting, they have fantastic instructions. They also new washi tape and new cover minders. Love it. Okay, so that's that. Now, if you would like 15% off, no matter if you're a new customer or an older customer, use DP Addiction Adventures, all one word, and you can have 15% off. Check that out. Okay, where did I put? This is like a felt back canvas. Very nice and smooth and feels fantastic. Oh my gosh. 61 colors. I should have put this away. I knew this was gonna be a biggie, a biggie, a biggie. So we're gonna put this away. Take this one off. Don't worry, I won't forget about it. We'll open that one in a minute. These colors are phenomenal. Now, I know Lizzie did this one, and I loved it. And my friend Trevor loved it, and that's why I got it, because I thought he was going to get it too. But he's working on it. So look at these beautiful colors. This is the round. And Craftibly, I think, has the best so far round that I know of. All right, here is the detail. I know Mike over at Craftibly, when I was with him at the retreat, he was actually working on one of these 4.0 paintings so that he could sit there and go, all right, this symbol is hard to see. I need to talk with the factory about it. This symbol is great. This right here is an issue. His quality control is beyond belief. That's why I love working with smaller companies, and not that they won't get huge, but they own and love their customer and product. And it's all about these colors. Look at, and I'm not a horse person. I am not a horse person, but I am a color person. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. I can't even get it all on the camera. It is poured glue. I showed you the symbols. It's got the little thumbnail. This is 32 by 24. And it's absolutely beautiful. The rendering is fantastic. Look at those eyes. He's like, I can see into your soul. You've got the Craftibly logo here on the top. You've got down here the licensing work right here, so you know it's legit. The artist is getting their take on their beautiful, oh, I turned the light pad on. Beautiful artistry. This is phenomenal. So, excuse me. I am hoping to save this and do this as a friend collab. We will see. We will see. So I'm going to roll this up really quickly and give you some background music that doesn't need to be copywritten. Give you some background music. Doesn't need to be copywritten. Ah, there you go. Try to copyright strike that, YouTube. All right, she's faster than a spinning bullet. Whoop. And what I love about these tubes as well is they expand and get smaller depending on what is in the tube. I wish I got smaller depending on what was in my tube. Okay. So this one is one that they just came out with. I pre-ordered it and then it came. So go over there quick before they're sold out. I did get a little thank you for supporting Craftibly with your purchase. We appreciate your business and look forward to serving you again. Have fun. Craftibly yours, Larry, aka Craft Wizard. I get Craft Wizard notes all the time. So this is called Frog Loving Felicia. All right, and here it is. This is a Sheena Pike one. I love green, and my friend crafts with Crashly. She loves frogs, and so I got this to think of her. Okay, I promise I am not an idiot. There we go. This is my second Sheena Pike. The first one I have is the coffee and cat one. Okay, so let's see what goodies. So I got two of these. I got a heart. I really want a hedgehog. Michael, listen, I want a hedgehog. I got some washi tape. I want a hedgehog. I know, they're random. They're random. I can't be picky. It's still cute and beautiful. All right, there's that. And then let's see what's in here. Come on, Jennifer. Come on, Jennifer. Get to the good stuff. Get to the good stuff. Get to the good stuff. You can pull this tape off. I'm just doing it because it's quicker. OMG. This has 53 colors. Let's see what's in here. Look at that green. Woo! Look at that green. Look at the frog. He's like, Ribbit. And he's over here, the blue frog. Sheena Pike is so talented. Oh, his glasses. Some great glasses. We're going to look at that in just a minute. What? Look. This is an 18 by 24 Frog Loving Felicia peelable sticker sticker sheet. Oh my gosh, look guys, you get stickers. I love diamond painting. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. And then here's your logbook sticker. I love it. And then here's your peelables. How fun. Oh. Use these labels to identify your bags of drills, storage containers, or whatever makes you smile while you work. They're just because stickers. Oh, I am so excited. I'm going to be using those like crazy. Then you get your, if you're new to diamond painting, you get your how to diamond paint. Oh, guys, you just kicked it up a notch and a half. Okay, so if it is poured glue, you can roll it backwards. You're not going to hurt the glue. Do not do this if it is mounting tape or double-sided adhesive. Okay, look at this. Look at her hair. Look at how fun. I'm so excited. There are 1, 2, 3 ABs. I'm sorry, I did not see if there were ABs on the other one. I believe there are. There's 1 crystal and there's 49 regular. What? There's 53 colors in this thing? OMG. Okay. See what the ABs are. It looks like the ABs are white, green, and like a yellow color. Crinkle, crinkle. Okay, they're right down here. I love that they're in order. They're in baggies if you want to just work out of baggies. Look at that, and they give you so many ABs. They're not just like, here's like 3 little spots. And then here's the crystal color. Where's the crystal? It's gonna be, okay, so it's a little bit in this flower, a little bit in the middle of the daisy. Okay, so it's just kind of popping some of the center and some of the outsides of the flower. Oh my gosh, guys, I am in love. Frog in her hair. Oh my goodness, I love daisies and I love well, not frogs. Frogs are okay. My friend loves frogs. I love green. So I am so excited to do this. I might do some ABs in her lips and her necklace. We will see. And her belt, I might bling out a little bit because I have my own ABs. Craftibly, you have just outdone yourself. If you want extra stickers, please run to Craftibly right now before this kit is out. I know they have a couple, like a second Sheena Pike that was on pre-order and now is in stock. Go check it out. Again, you can use DP Addiction Adventures, all one word, and get yourself 15% off. So exciting! All right, guys. So that is it for now. Check out Craftibly. I'm going to go put these on my to-do list and see when I'm going to do them next. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.